And as you can see, we're all dried up. No rushing water. Just heading over. This is where the bridge broke away. Couldn't get in close yesterday. It was just full of water. Just wasn't safe to come over. Still got the caution tape up, but they let me bust through it. Over on the other side, you can see where it broke away on the ramp coming down. The water's considerably lower today. Just take you over along here. You can see various pieces of metal. It's broken. I hear that the bridge is shifted. I can't quite see where, but the rivets have bent. A lot of damage to this bridge. And you can see over in the corner the green metal, or remnants of the bridge. I guess some of it is sunk, a lot of it is caught underneath, and who knows where the rest of it is. Everybody's back at work today. I guess the state of emergency has been lifted. More damage in here. You can see it from this angle. It's really dry and beautiful out there. People are taking advantage.